Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit videos in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. The first thing I want to get out of the way is that you can only edit Google Photos on mobile phones, either on Android or iPhone and iPad, as you can see here. I tried doing it in the actual application on the web browser, however, there is no option to edit your videos. So I'm going to be using this article to explain to you everything that you need to know. So the first and foremost thing that you want to do is, of course, install the Google Photos app, and some options are only available to phones that have at least 1 GB of RAM and up, and run version 6.0 of Android or later. And yeah, you have a couple of options that you can do. You can trim, mute, stabilize, or export a still from your video. You need to open the video, then tap edit, then to trim the video to a different length, tap and drag the trim lines and select the portion of your video that you want to keep. Save a copy of the video with your edits. At the bottom right, tap save copy. To mute the video, just tap the speaker icon. To stabilize it, click this sort of shaky screen icon. If you can see here, let me try to enlarge it. It should be here. Yeah, this sort of shaky screen icon, just tap that and everything should be fine. And to export a frame, just tap export frame. Now to crop the video, you need to go into edit and then crop. Then you need to either select an aspect ratio which you want to crop the video to a different aspect ratio, like a square. Tap the aspect ratio button. Change the video's perspective, tap transform. Drag the dots of the edges to the edges of your video, or tap auto. To rotate the video 90 degrees, tap rotate. And to make minor adjustments, use the dial above the rotate button. To automatically straighten, tap auto. And to save a copy, click save copy, of course. To adjust your video, you need to go to edit and tap adjust, then select the effect that you want. When you're finished, tap done, and to undo, just deselect the option or tap cancel. You have a list of adjustments here, so you can just go over that. To select a filter, you go into edit and filters, select a filter, and that is that. To undo, just press none. To add an effect, you just go into effects, save an effect, pretty much the same principle applies, and that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.